Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about something extremely basic, very simple but very important in gardening, how to use moss sticks. I often use different sizes of moss stick to improve the growth of my plants such as monsteras, philodendron, money plant. So essentially the reason we use these are because they improve the growth of a plant, and you would see if you start using a moss stick, it will actually increase the size of the leaves of a money plant. Because plants like these have aerial roots, these roots that come out from their stem, and these roots help the plant to absorb moisture from the air or any kind of a surface. So what these moss sticks basically provide is that extra moisture. So today we're going to put a moss stick for this monstera plant, and there are a lot of sizes available. So how do you use it? Now, all that you have to do is basically stick this into the soil. And while you do that, just make sure that it doesn't topple off. So just try to press it into the soil. And I'm going to use some pins. These are the typical hairpin actually. It's the hairpin that women use. So what these hairpins will do is basically just help the plant to stick and develop roots into the moss. So once the roots have developed, you would not need these pins anymore. But whenever you're doing it with a new plant, always use something. Now if you don't have a hairpin available, you can also use a rope to tie them. So basically all that we have to do is to ensure that the climber is able to stick to the moss somehow. So I'm going to use a thread as well. Now you can do the same thing for a money plant as well, or any kind of a plant which is trailing. Apart from plants that are trailing or falling, you can also use it for plants which need support, like I've done this for monstera here. So monstera also has these roots that come out, plus it needs support. So I've used a stick to support that monstera, and you can do that for philodendrons as well. Now what should be the size of the plant? You can do for any size of a plant. So you can do it for something as small as this, or you can also do it for something as long as this. And then you would see that within few days, the new leaves that are coming out of the plant, they'll be bigger in size, and also the growth of the plant would considerably increase. It'll be faster. So a lot of you ask me that my money plant is growing really slow. So first thing is that if it's growing in water, it will be slow. Plus, if it's in soil, it will be relatively slower compared to when you put something like a moss stick. So if you want to speeden the growth of it, add a moss stick, and later you can also remove it. As for watering them, I try and water this stick once in a week. But if the plant is kept outdoors, I try to water them twice a week, because it also dries up very quickly. Especially in summer, it's really helpful for the plants. Rest, you can practice watering the way you generally add water to the pot. Now for the question that where should you buy it from, how much does it cost? They cost about 150 rupees or so. Of course it depends on the size as well. You can buy it online or from any nursery around you. There are also a lot of options of moss sticks in the market. So this is like a typical moss stick which has moss in it in this mesh of wire. The other thing that I've commonly seen in the market these days is that they use a cloth sleeve on a stick, and the cloth is such that it can absorb water for longer. So for my monstera, I actually have this cloth stick instead, and also for my philodendron. Now there are a lot of people who also make them at home. You can make them, you can use a cloth like that, you can use moss to make your own stick, or you can also use coconut shavings, the fiber of the coconut, dried coconut. Basically you need anything that can hold moisture for longer. So now for the question, should you buy it or not? I think that you should definitely buy it, because it of course increases the growth of the plant. The plant looks nicer and you can remove it later as well. And for plants like these, like climbers which actually fall, if you want to give some height to your plant in a living room like such as ours, I think it is perfect to add some height. And you can use the same stick for a couple of years as well. I hope you like such short informative videos. If you do, let us know down below. I will try and come up with more basic stuff on gardening. Thanks for watching.